what's going on, everybody? Conrad here from MojoBreak.com on Sunday, February 16, 2020. To do another 5-box 18-19-20 Prizm NBA Explosion Mixer. Random teams number 15. Let's go to random.org to determine all your teams. Good luck to everybody in the break. First, we're going to roll the virtual dice to see how many times we randomize. If we roll a snake eyes, would have fought to 3 randoms. And we're going to go 7, 4, 3, 7 times. All teams in 30 spots total. We're going to go 7 times for your teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Magic Orlando down to the 6. Sixers 7 times. Now we will randomize your name 7 times and match it up to the teams. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still loading. 6 and 7. Ralph down 2. Ralph got the top spot down 2. Kevin M. That's 7 times like we did for your teams. Here are your teams, everybody. 5 minutes of trade, and then we'll rip. No Hillis credits going out in this break, but all cards will ship. You'll get all your base as usual for these Prizm mixers. So all cards ship. Pelly Pels tonight. Chasing the Pelly Pels is Joe May. Good luck, Joseph. Joe May. Grizzlies NT. Leaf Best of Basketball will be the last break of the night, and it's going to be right after we finish this break here.